Hi everyone, it's Akira and welcome back to another video. Now, here's something interesting. See what I have over there? Yep, I just found this computer at a box where most electronics are being thrown away. Well, not really, they're being recycled. And, yeah, I went out because I didn't bother going to the elevator yet again. Until then, I saw something. And it looks like the hard drive that I've thrown away is still here. For some reason. But there was a monitor and 2 computers. Well, I didn't bother picking up the monitor since I've already had a couple. However, I found 2 computers that were in the box. This one over there, yeah, I'm not even sure if this is supposed to be something better somewhat. And the other one, this one did have Windows XP in it. And this one does have 7. Alright, with that out of the way, this is the Dell OptiPlex 780. And it was found inside the box. I picked it up and took it back to my room and found out that it was quite a dusty. I opened this up and could see that there's some dust going on and everything just seems to be okay. So I went to plug it in and saw that the computer was still on. Look at it, it's still functioning. But there was a small problem, is that the battery was dead and I had to replace it. But I accidentally broke the battery slot, but this was fixed when I inserted it the right way. And the hard drive was not configured properly, so I had to do that in the BIOS. And it seems to fix it. Because I thought that it didn't have a hard drive, but turns out it was, but it's just that it wasn't even enabled by default. And at first glance, I thought that it may have been wiped, and I had to reinstall Windows completely, but I was caught off guard and found out that it was still functioning, and it had an operating system in it, but it didn't work. The computer crashed a couple of times, and when I disabled the automatic restart, I found out that the operating system is corrupted. So I tried every day, and then I tried doing starter repair, and it didn't work. So I'll show you what it is doing and why it couldn't boot properly. Yeah, it did crash. Now this is on VGA, so you couldn't even see the blue screen. I'm gonna hit on F8 and then disable the automatic restart to see the blue screen. Because I thought that the hard drive was disconnected. But it turns out it isn't. Yep. This is beyond repairable. So, I have no choice but to actually, it doesn't say anything about the volume. The volumes are corrupted or something. It's clearly not working. So I think that's why they throw it away, because the operating system itself was not functioning. So anyways, however, there is one operating system that on the list that does call system restored. Yeah, I don't know why it does that when I hold the power button. The fan spins up at max speed. Or not. So anyways, this is going to be a fun adventure. So I'm gonna try to restore this operating system. And look at that, it's finished. I suck. So anyways, it looks like this is supposed to be some kind of a factory reset, and that it will restore everything back to its original settings. And doing so will immediately erase all data. So I am going to do it. And after that, I think I might try upgrading this computer to Windows 11. I was originally going to do 10, but instead, I'll try 11. So it is going to take a while. So I'm gonna stop the video and let it do its thing. And then see if I can get this back. Okay, oh jeez. I keep knocking down. Alright, I'll let it do it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the computer just restarted and no more blue screens. Well, after factory resetting, I guess I'll let it do it. In the case there's something wrong with the hard drive. Oh my god. I'm gonna plug into the flash drive. I did save a couple of files, but they're mostly pictures. It looks like it found a driver already. It's not done. Just got a question. Okay, I think this thing restart. Oh, okay, now it's 30 minutes instead of 3 minutes. Cool. Okay, computer, let it do its thing. And the render's finished. Thank God. I can close this out. To mute the audio. Alright. Too bad that there isn't a Dell logo because this is clearly a refurbished PC. This is my first time, so... Why does my keyboard not work? I'll call this Dell 780. Just put in no password. Of course, it needs a product key. Sure. Alright, just gonna apply default settings and but this is Eastern. Alright, now it's finalizing the settings. Of course, I have no sound, so oops. I did it again. Actually, it would be better if I hook this up to the TV. I do believe that there is sound. Oh, never mind, it does have sound. But why is it in basic? Even though the video drivers are installed? Oh my god, this is so... I miss this operating system. It was my childhood, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's set to basic, so anyways, yep. Drivers are installed, so I'm gonna check. So yeah, it seems to be that this is a refurbished PC. Yep. I guess that's that. What I'm looking over here is a 64-bit operating system. And this one comes in with an Intel Core 2 Duo. But however, since this is a refurbished product, I wonder if there's anything that I can do. So it is integrated. Yeah, this is still a dual core processor, so nothing too new. I was expecting a quad core, but instead I got another dual core processor. I think I may upgrade the CPU, but I'm not sure because I don't know if I have enough budget to make some crazy upgrades for this computer despite its condition. Yep. Nice. So looking good. But what if I want to upgrade? And what the heck? I swear to God, oh. That's a problem. Am I getting connection? Yes, I do. Alright. This is the home network. Okay, so I went to Dell's website to find this type of device, and they still do. But however, if I go to the top, it says Dell does not support Windows 10 or above on your device. Blah 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 blah. So you take a look. Windows 8, 8.1, 10, or 11 does not exist. But anyways, I'm gonna do a BIOS update. And it's going to restart the computer so that it can update the BIOS, which isn't necessary, but I felt like it is if I wanted to install any of newer operating systems. Okay, I guess that's it.